This video is brought to you by Squarespace. From websites and online stores to marketing tools and analytics, Squarespace is the all-in-one platform to build a beautiful online presence and run your business. Okay, please, none of you tell me to put fruit in my oatmeal. I hate fruit. I don't like it. I like plain oatmeal. Literally every time I post oatmeal, I would get messages in my DM just telling me to put fruit on it. So I mean, if you're making oatmeal, I recommend you putting fruit on it because it's healthy and good or whatever, but I just can't. So it's lunchtime. I have some rice, so I'm just gonna make like a bunch of stuff to put on the rice. Okay, so right now I'm frying some of these I actually have no idea what this is called in English, but these strips are made from soy, so it's kind of like tofu. It's very popular here in Vietnam. It's just used in a lot of vegetarian dishes, and so you kind of just fry them up and it will get like crunchy and very delicious. I'm gonna cut up some pepper. Please don't judge the way that I chop my pepper. I'm really bad at cutting or just chopping vegetables in general, so I'm just gonna do it in like the weirdest way. But yeah, I'm just scared of knives. I have to say one good thing about this lockdown is it has bring back my love for cooking. I used to cook a lot, and then the last couple of years I just got kind of lazy and I cooked here and there, but I've mainly been just ordering food and it's just not okay. First of all, it's more expensive, and second of all, there's just so much packaging every time. I think I'm just gonna start cooking regularly from now on. I've been really enjoy cooking. It's really therapeutic and it's just good to make good dishes. So the peppers are ready. Ta-da! This is my lunch. It looks so good. Before we move on with the video, I would like to share some words from our sponsor, Squarespace. Squarespace is a platform that can help you create beautiful websites to run your business or just any website that you want. Squarespace is very easy to use, very beginner friendly. You can start with one of their available templates, which are very customizable and create an aesthetically pleasing website to your liking. Especially if you're running a business, Squarespace has so many functions that can help you run your business smoothly. It can help you set up pricing, quantity, different payment methods so your site can be accessible all over the world. They also have a lot of helpful analytics that can help you track your business. So head out to squarespace.com to create your website, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/OANH, that's OANH, to get 10% off your first purchase. Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Thank you Squarespace for sponsoring this video and support this channel. Now let's get back to the video. Oh, you're so handsome. Hi, I just want to clarify something, because the last time that I did one of these videos, some of you were like kind of confused because I said I was vegetarian and I eat eggs. So I'm pretty sure that being vegetarian means that you don't eat meat, but you do consume animal products like dairy and eggs. I was vegan for 5 years before and I started eating eggs again, but I still don't consume dairy. So eggs is pretty much the only animal products that I use, and I also use honey sometimes, but not that much. Yeah, I just want to like kind of clarify. I've been vegan for so long now that I don't really identify like a diet that I'm following or whatever like that. I just do what I believe in, and yeah, I'm never gonna eat animals, but I'm just saying I'm vegetarian. I don't eat meat or dairy, but I do eat eggs. So yeah, just want to clarify that. What's wrong with me? I was just too busy thinking about filming and doing something, but I just cooked this amount of pasta. What the fuck? What even is this? This is like 5 strands. So yeah, I'm cooking some more. I don't know what's up with that. Can you guys believe that I just cooked this amount of pasta? What the hell? Okay, now I'm gonna do something that is gonna offend all of you.